My name's Bruce Richards. I'm Project Director for Costain Limited on the A465 Heads of the Valleys project. Costain is a national infrastructure solutions provider and has a long and accomplished history over the last 150 years. Costain as an employer recognises the importance of developing and supporting its workforce. It seeks to employ from a wide range of cultures and skill sets. The company is mindful that the balance between men and women in management roles across the organisation is far from equal, and the company is working with Chwarae Teg to address the imbalance in South Wales. Costain are currently employed by the Welsh Government on 4 major infrastructure projects in South Wales. Our company objective to develop our female staff is closely aligned to objectives set by the Welsh Government, who support the Chwarae Teg initiative. We are also working closely with the Institution of Civil Engineering and their desire to encourage more women to pursue careers in engineering. Our work with Chwarae Teg will hopefully lead to more women aspiring to management roles, which in turn should help support that process. We will also seek to raise awareness of both the ICE Women in Engineering and Chwarae Teg agenda through our schools programme. Costain are currently participating in the Chwarae Teg Agile Nation 2 programme. We have 10 female members of staff currently on the programme, and hopefully this will help them progress into senior levels of management.